Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we also had during the weekend, well, not the weekend, today, Monday, a update to Microsoft Edge. So if you go on your Microsoft Edge browser and you go onto the upper right corner, three horizontal dots, you go to Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge, you have been updated to 126.0.2592.61, and these are bug fixes. I would guess that the bug fixes that rolled out to Google Chrome starting June 13th is pretty much what rolled out to Microsoft Edge also. Since these are Chromium-based browsers, that is, of course, the way that these updates were released. So you've got some bug fixes. If you had any problems, anything was wrong with the latest version of Edge, well, updated. It should be fixing your problems. As for the rest, nothing security in here. Of course, we're waiting this week for the Google Chrome security updates, which means later in the week, this week, there will probably be another update for security in Microsoft Edge. But for now, this is just bug fixes to change a few things and make sure that everything is all right. And it was released today, June 17th, 2024. So you can check out for updates if you want. If nothing is wrong, you can just leave it alone. You know, we always say it. If it ain't wrong, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. I think it's a really, really good rule to follow. It will update itself anyways. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.